Good evening. Well, we're starting to see a change coming in now. We're losing the area of high pressure and we're starting to see low pressure moving in over the next few days. So through this evening and overnight, just a little bit of fair weather cloud around. Mainly dry though, a nighttime temperature of 6 Celsius. And a dry and bright start to the day tomorrow, but a weather front, a rather weak front, starts to move in, increasing the cloud, producing 1 or 2 sharp showers into the afternoon. And it'll start to feel gradually cooler as well, with temperatures going down to around 16 Celsius.
That's it.